Hello friends, today I want to explain about the mathematical conjecture. I want to explain one of the many conjecture in the mathematics. Okay, I want to share screen. Okay, I want to tell you all about the twin prime conjecture. Twin prime conjecture. What is the twin prime conjecture? So, the twin prime conjecture say like this: if you have two primes number like 3 and 5, so the value between 3 and 5 exactly 2. Another one example, we have prime number 5 and 7, so the value between 5 and 7 we know, yes, 2. And another one example, like 11 and 13, so the value between 11 and 13 we know exactly 2. So if we have the two prime numbers and the value between the two prime number exactly 2, we say this twin prime conjecture. So why until now the twin prime conjecture cannot be proved? Okay, we have the mathematician. The name is Professor Yitangzang. He want to prove the twin prime conjecture. I looked in the Professor Yitangzang lecture. He want to prove the twin prime conjecture. The Professor Yitangzang writing the equation like this. Sorry, we have lim n until undefined. Pn. Pn is the prime numbers minus prime numbers plus 1 less from 20,000. But this equation only can prove not the exactly the twin prime conjecture. But this equation only can prove the partial um, partial problem, only can prove the partial solution. This Professor Tanzang only can prove the partial solution. So another one mathematician will try with the sense method like the Professor Tanzang, the Professor Terence Tao and the friends of Terence Tao. Okay, make the sums equation, but the Professor Terence Tao make the reduction the limits this n until undefined Pn and minus Pn plus 1 less from 6. Okay, exactly until 6. But this equation, yes, this equation not prove the twin prime conjecture, not prove exactly the twin prime conjecture. Why? Because if you want to prove the twin prime conjecture, you must be make the equation like this: n until undefined Pn minus Pn plus 1 until less from, sorry, not less, more from 2. Okay, if you can make this equation, yes, this equation, this formula can reduce until to, okay, congratulations, you can prove the twin prime conjecture and you get the $1 million, the $1 million. So, but until now, the problem, not somebody can prove this problem. If we want to make this equation, this formula until 2, we have problem. I will show you where the problem. Okay, you can um, look this. Okay, the polymaths, yeah, assumes that the generalized Elliott Halberstam conjecture, the equation, this equation, live in finish, undefined and until undefined. Yes, Pn minus Pn number, yeah, the same. I will make the opposite. Sorry, the formula like this. I opposite. I'm sorry, and can make less from 6. So if we want to try the equation, this equation make less from 6, we have something problem. The parity phenomenon, I mean, Professor Teresa tahu writing in the lecture like this. The parity phenomenon makes it impossible for the first moment method of this type to prove a result, results less than 6. And so the theorem 6 is strongest result of this type. We can hope to prove along these lines. So this is problem. We cannot make the equation. This the same like equation. The limits until less from 6. We cannot make less from 6 because we have something problem in the mathematical method. So why this conjecture so big problem in mathematics? We know in the mathematics not only have the one conjecture, we have many conjecture like the Riemann hypothesis, and ABC conjecture, and Goldsbach conjecture, and Navier-Stokes, and other one problem in the mathematical world. So I hope the future we have solution for proof one of the many conjecture in the mathematics. Okay, thank you very much for watching